afternoon. It's the 23rd of December and we have Percy Cat back with us, and you can see that Percy has developed into a mature pussy cat. And this is what he's mesmerised by. He's been playing with this for the last 20 minutes. Now, you've got to be aware that this cat never stops. He jumps and he racks up round the Christmas tree and he pulls baubles off. But we opened this package and you can attach this to it, and this goes round and round in a circle. But he is totally mystified by this. It's a 2-in-1 invisible mouse and flying feather chaser toy. So if you've got a very lively cat that will not leave you alone and is actually becoming a nuisance because you know you're walking about in your slippers and Percy is dancing on your feet, and then he's up on the counter and he's doing all sorts. He never stops. But this really has taken him to the fair. He doesn't know what to make of it. And it is certainly taking his full attention. It's so mysterious, and it doesn't stop, just goes on and on. Ariston. Go on, Percy. Yeah, did you get it? It's better than jumping up at my fingers. Just completely taken in by this. Where is it, Percy? So if you have a lively cat, Percy. Percy, yes. Yes. Go on, roll over. If you have a lively cat that won't leave you alone, I would recommend this Cat Activity Centre. You silly cat. Oh my goodness. And you can see, if you've been watching my previous videos, that Percy is well developed. He's got a great coat on him, obviously been fed really well. Yes, yes, never mind about the toy. Yes, he bit me very quick, or scratch you. You're only playing like, but there you go. Percy Pussycat. How to amuse, entertain your cat. Lively cat. I'll just go over it again. And it's from Pets at Home. 2-in-1 invisible mouse and flying feather chaser toy. Encourages exercise, stimulates play and activity, satisfies natural hunting instinct. And it's a great job. Brilliant.